Whenever anybody talks about real estate today, all I'm hearing is affordability, affordability, affordability. Well, I have a solution for you, and it's located at 6 Clive Avenue, right here in Guelph, where we have a beautiful bungalow with a legal apartment. So you have two options. One, rent out both units, have a great investment and income. Two, and my personal favorite, live in the top while you rent out the bottom to give you that extra mortgage help. 6 Clive is located in Riverside Park. And for all of you that know, it's one of the most coveted family neighborhoods in all of Guelph. So if you're thinking about starting one of those, or you're thinking about a great investment opportunity, 6 Clive is definitely one that you need to check out. It's usually at this point in the video that everybody wants me to just shut my mouth, but I can't help it with this one. We're in the basement. Remember that income help that I talked about? Look at the height of these ceilings. Look at this space. Dining room, living room, beautiful upgrade kitchen, tons of natural light, 3 large bedrooms, and separate laundry. This is perfect for any tenant, any family member, including that mother-in-law, and you can rent this out in any market just based on the location and the condition of this unit. It's fabulous. I know you guys enjoyed that just as much as I did. This property is in fantastic condition. We're well aware of what's happening out in the market right now, but there's a tremendous opportunity for you to find something that's affordable. Whenever you can find a move-in ready home with a rental income, it's always a safe bet. So I want you guys to get off your butts, give me a call, give me a text today, because I can't wait to show it to you.